Hello everyone. This is going to be a quick screencast tutorial of Voki and how you can use Voki with your students in the classroom. So to kind of get you started, what I want you to think about with a Voki is how your students may be reluctant to actually have their face shown on a video. How some of them may be reluctant to hear their voice. Maybe you're working with ESL or ELL students, second language learners, and you want to give them the opportunity to be able to use a little technology to start helping with that language fluency. Well, this is a very popular website used by educators across the country as well as globally. And you'll also notice that right up here, we'll just give you an example of their Voki. You'll see how the eyes just looks like it's for real. It's just there, waiting for you. So we'll hit play.
Hi! Welcome to the new Voki for Education. Voki is used by almost 1 million people to create and share custom speaking characters for websites, blogs, and profiles. The new Voki for Education was created with teachers in mind. Explore the Voki lesson plan database, connect with other teachers, and get tips on using Voki in the classroom. If you're new, visit the Newbies Corner. As always, Voki is a free service. We've also included new ways to share Voki anywhere on the web. You no longer need a website to share your Voki. The best way to start is by creating your first Voki and sharing it. So, go ahead and start creating.
So that's what you're going to do. We're going to take you through how to create using a Voki. So I am going to log in using my account. Okay, now that we're logged in, this is what you're going to be able to see. You'll see here how I have 6 different Vokis that have been created. This is the one that kind of represents me. I've kind of used their figures to design it. I've used this with many of my blog site. I'll have this on there kind of as an introduction. But you'll see here how I have Reagan, that's my daughter. I have DP here for Dalton Parker, which is my son. But you can see that we have used different characters, and this is just another way of using those, allowing your students to participate, put some comments in, and go about things that you would maybe not necessarily think that the students would be really engaged in doing. So here's how we're going to get started. You're going to click on Create. And as that create comes up, I want you to be thinking about just information that you can provide us about who you are. That's the Voki we're going to kind of start with. So here's the animation. You could see that they already kind of give you a general look. Go up to characterize your or customize your character. You can go with politics. You can go VIP. You can go with a holiday. This is just something for you to have fun, kind of design what you want. We'll go classic, kind of get somebody that may look like you, but you could see there's all kinds of examples. So we'll go here with this one, come up to the hairstyle. You can change the hair where it looks kind of like you, or maybe just something that you would want to look like. You could change the color of the hair. So you can see all kinds of different hair there. We'll come over here to the hair color. We'll kind of change that hair color. Then we can go to eyes, choose color of your eyes. Change the color, tweak the skin color how you would like it to be tweaked. You could even come up and choose change the mouth around a little. You could do that up here as well. So you could choose some different mouths. So you could even, as you see, change as you wish. You could put a mustache up if you would like. Just kind of have fun with it. This is something new to you, but it's just to kind of give you an idea of what some students and teachers are using that are out there as some option designs. So once you're done with that, just click on choosing your clothing. You can even go to uniforms, whatever you would like to do, because think about your students doing a report and they're going to narrate it, but make it look like the person they're telling a report on. George Washington, uh, let's go with even Betsy Ross. Those are just some ideas. You could add the extra bling to it if you want, some glasses. But again, just have some fun. Hit done when you're ready. So again, there was how you customize your character. I'm going to just jump back in here and just take it back to there, say done. Now, you can give it a voice by calling it in. You can type it in. So here would be one way of saying this. If you are in a situation where you cannot record audio from your computer, you could type it in or copy and paste it in. Play it, see how it sounds.
Hello everyone enrolled in EDU 356 Technology in the Classroom.
You can change the voice by choosing the drop-down window. You can choose the language to be different here. So again, there's your ELL options. So I'll just hit done. You can change the background. There we go. You could choose the player look, the appearance of what your Voki will look like. We could just come in here and choose done. Now, the last few steps you'll have left to do for like to put this into your blog post in kidblog.org is going to go to publish, give it a title, hit save. Now it's been saved, and there you go. You can change the size of it by up here. You can make it small, and it automatically adjusts everything for you. This is the embed code. This is what you would copy to put into your blog, which is shown in that kid blog tutorial screencast. If you have problems with it, just a lot of time go back in and remove the embed code, save, copy and paste. I've found that depending on browsers, sometimes if I just save what I'm saving it to without the code, go back and add the code, then it works just fine. So with that, I wish you all good luck.